Aloha, 8th of November, part 2. What's going on, peeps? Hey, man, it's just an update from earlier on, yeah? What's happening, Andy? This is going out to you, aka Jack42 Grafton on YouTube. Just come to show you my skyline, yeah? Well, this is the after effects now. You've seen earlier on, innit? Right, all the way down there in the distance. That's where I was filming earlier on, yeah? See the weather front blowing in? Right, that's the last bit of the sky. Let me pan back a minute. All that clear, light, it's not even light blue, all the light grey with the red fucking, excuse the swearing, with the red aluminium shine going through the middle of it. That's the last of the sky. This is my skyline. Remember I said they melt down the clouds to create the, look at it. This is what my sky looks like. Really, above this is sky blue. As you can see, the sun's still shining. That's why you got that red streak floating through the middle there. Yeah? But it's been, you know, look, if I zoom straight in between them dirty black stinking, they're actually real clouds. The dark ones are the real clouds, but because they've gone through that chem poison, it's all shut down. See the little bit of light in between? There we go, yeah. But this is what my skyline turns into, and this is what they do every day. They, okay, that's the last bit now. When that's the last bit of the sky that'll close up, and then it'll be covered like this, totally zoomed and duped, like, you know. But yeah, like I was saying earlier, man, you know, they done the UN banned geoengineering, as they say per se, but really, as we know, nothing ever, you know, they don't really keep their word on anything that they do. Ever. Do you know what I mean? And what they tell you, they only tell you what you think you should know to keep you happy and in a bubble. But really and truly what happens is it's totally the opposite. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Hello. What's going on? I'm taking photographs of the sky again. Yeah. I'm filming this beautiful...
You haven't been taking your medication again, have you?
Of course not. See? I've been filming this beautiful geoengineered sky.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, you really do need to take your medication.
No. You need to go and do some research. When you go home, just tap in the search engine, geoengineering,
right,
aerosol spraying program. Really and truly, the day is supposed to see how it's light down there?
Yeah.
Right, it's supposed to be like that. See that red cloud there?
Yeah.
That's not supposed to be there. That's part of this rubbish here. And if you don't know, planes fly over, they leave these big vapor trails. No, they're not contrails. And what happens is they disperse out into this white mist. The real puffy clouds, which are them down the back there, fly through the white mist and they melt down and they turn into this fake cloud cover here.
Right.
Yeah, but the sky is really that colour there.
Right.
Yeah, I know you think it's rain clouds and all that, but that's what no, it's not pollution. No, it's purposely done. Yeah, it's called geoengineering. The UN have just banned it back last week.
Why is it purposely done?
This is what they've been trying to find out. It's been going on since 1997. You know, they say we haven't had a good summer in years.
Yeah.
This is the reason why. It's full open air operations in front of everybody, but they deny everything. Yeah.
What do you mean? Like, why? What's going on?
Because
then, really?
what's going on really? There's several different reasons why they do it, but why they say they do it in here in the spray that they spray out, they call chemtrails. Yeah, that comes out the back of the thing, is tiny particles of aluminium and all this shit. And what it does is they make this fake cloud cover, and the sun can't penetrate, and it reflects the sun back out to space, and they call it global dimming, cooling the planet and all that. They've been trying to sell global warming for the planet. Yeah. If you haven't been keeping up to date, the Copenhagen global climate summit fell to pieces. Right. Because hackers hacked into the main climatologist centre in Norwich or somewhere in England, which the UN and Al Gore and all the rest of his cronies were using the data from this place to put a carbon tax
on the whole planet.
Right.
Tax you, your microwave, your fridge, your cars, your kids, just to get more money. But what happened was hackers hacked into this centre and got 10 years worth of emails, which proved that man-made global warming is a lie. Global warming is an actual factor, but it's a natural cycle of the Earth. There you go. It goes up, down, up, down, up, down. There we go,
Well, this to me doesn't. I had in my head then. I thought this to me sounds a natural cycle of things.
But what they've been trying to do is say it's us and the cars and all that. And 29,000 scientists were all trying to get the data from this place the power's been using to try and keep countries under by keep putting this carbon tax on the whole and keeping everybody on the line, like I'm saying. But what they done once they hacked that and they put it's all over the internet. Just tap in climate change, fraud, climate gate, anything like that, and it's all over there.
And what did you say they're doing this?
Right, this here, right?
This is man-made.
This is man-made. Deliberately man-made. You can have watch. When you wake up tomorrow, what time do you wake up in the morning?
Well, we're up about 6.
At about 6, perfect time, right? Perfect time, right? If you'll have a clear blue sky. Next thing you know is these white tanker planes, unmarked tanker planes, and NATO planes. There was the US doing it, but the whole world's on board now. Every government's covertly changing their atmosphere with this shit, So what is, you'll see these big trails in the sky. And they'll just hang there, and then they'll disperse into this white stuff. Like I said, the real clouds, the black ones down there, will fly through, and what it does, it melts it down and creates this fake cloud cover. Before you know, today, officially today, should be a sky blue day, and the sun will be out till 7, well, until it gets dim, But what they've been doing is, because public, Joe Schmo on the ground, is not privy to what's going on, you come up with your t-shirt on, by the time you get down the end of the road it's cloudy, and then next thing you know, you're like, bloody hell, the weather's going tits up. And it was all part of duping the people and whatever. Back last week, the UN outlawed geoengineering, but they didn't say which part, and if you know anything about government and what they tell you and what they actually do, it's 10 different things.
So what's it called,
It's called geoengineering, or aerosol spraying program, or chemtrails. And what you'll see, if you go on chemtrails or any of them, in chemtrails, if you tap it in, you can go on YouTube. You've got people from all over the world, including myself. I'm like one of the main sky watchers down here. I've got nearly 100 odd videos up online.
I've heard something about chemtrails very recently, and I didn't understand what it meant. I didn't take enough notice of it to understand. I read something about chemtrails, and it